Mzx S2.
What's up? It's Mzx. Today I'm gonna regen. This is directly after the last episode. So, yeah, as you can see, there's the golden skeleton. Yeah, underneath where the words say over here. So, yeah, regeneration. This is taking longer than I thought. You done? You done regen? Thank you. Okay, let's go. We can fight this ham now. Let's fight this ham. Did I even get a hit on it? I don't even think I got a hit on it. Where are you? Where did you go? Where did you go? What? Wow. Someone chickened out. Bro, no. Try to find your golden friend. Where is he? Bro, I will harm you when I find you, man. You will be told. Where was it? Did it like go into land and then die? That's a chicken. Man, seriously, where did you go? Should I watch the playback or something? Look at this. What can I kill? Whoa. Calm down. Don't. Okay. Alright. Let's get back to mainland. Oh my goodness, I was gonna fight that. You Hammond weakling. No, I'm not gonna fight Mzx. He's way too powerful. This stone sword in ham. Sheesh. Wimp. Alright. Where did the other one go? Where did they all go? I've got it. The chicken ate them. The chicken ate them. That's my explanation. Okay, let's go into the caves. Let's cave some ham. Chicken. It's all your fault. I was gonna get golden armor. Probably not. But you know, I could have gotten golden armor. You just have to chicken everything up. You made him chicken out. Joke. Haha. Laugh or come get me, bro. Come get me, bruh. Come get. Look at that, bruh. Come on, bruh. Oh my goodness, you can actually get me from there. Man, you're OP, dude. You're OP, man. Come get me. Come on. You afraid of little daylight? You afraid of daylight? You can shoot from there, can you? Fudge. Ham you. Hamming wimp. I need a bow. Okay, I can make a bow, right? You see, if I get a bow from him, I'll be really hammed off. Okay. You want some? Come on. Come into the daylight, bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on. Scared of the daylight? Ham. Bro, no. Bruh. Come on. We're all equal here. Except for me. I'm totally superior. So I lied. You mad, bruh? You mad that I lied? I don't have any wood left. So that's just great. Let's craft the bow. Craft the bow to beat the bro. It's not actually bro. Oh well. I don't know why I say bro. I don't know. It's just a thing, you know. Finally getting wood. Sheesh. Ham you, Minecraft. It took me like wow, I actually need more food actually. So yeah, that might be a problem. Let's do some ham. Okay. got chicken. So let's just roast that up before we craft the burr. No. Is it getting darker? I don't know. My render distance is down. But who cares? So let's get on with this. Let's get on with this. Get on with this. It's not a real song, I don't think. I don't want to sing a real song or it might be copyrighted. Get on with this. Get on with this. Let's craft some sticks. Did I already have sticks? Doesn't matter though. Gonna craft the bow to beat my bro. Spit out my sticks on the flow. Yeah, that's how I roll. Alright. I have no idea what that was about either. There should be an achievement for bow. Do we have any arrow? 3. Okay, that could defeat him, right? That could defeat him. Where did he go? Oh, great. Great. This is just what I need, isn't it? Just what I need. Chicken and gouts. You ate him as well? You ate him as well? Wow! You must be really hungry today. Man! Holy chicken! Sheesh! Anyone home? Anyone home? Hello? 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 Anybody here? Somebody. Anybody? It can't be copyrighted. I know it's from The Lion King, but seriously, it's you can't copyright me for that, can you? I'm sorry. Don't. Just don't, please. Please don't. Please. This is all I have left. This YouTube channel is all I have left. I don't need copyright strikes. Alright. So we crafted a bow for no reason. So don't give me that sound! Oh well. Can't be bothered to go any deeper. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave you there because you might like keep eating people, so that could come in handy actually. Yeah. Thanks for that. So let's get some pigs, you know? Let's just the daytime, let's kill some animals, make some progress in the house. Should we make a house? We need a bed. So we'll just don't run away. I will find you. Especially chicken, remember that. Remember that, kids. Okay. No piggy, no. Good for you. That's good. That look at that fresh meat. Look at this fresh meat. Look at this. Look at me. Yes, that's it. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Was that a sheep? Was that? Did I see a sheep there? Was that sheep? Sheep could really come in handy. Sheep. Sheep? Was that a sheep? No. I think I saw sun. Nope. No sheep. Oh well. So should I build a house? Should I? I have no idea. Well, this has been Mzx S2. Thanks for watching. And yeah. So I will take a break from recording because obviously I recorded 2 at once. So please like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.